In order to be able to send a WhatsApp notification, you first need to ensure that you have connected your WhatsApp account. You can do so from the dashboard. Click on WhatsApp Cloud, then connect your account. Once done, and you can connect your chatbot. You will be able to send WhatsApp notification. Right-click and then select Action Node, and then hover on Notification and select WhatsApp notification as well as WhatsApp template notification. Firstly, select WhatsApp notification, then click on Edit Action. Select From Phone Number and To Phone Number, and then enter your message either by static or variable. Then press Save. When this mode activates, it will send a WhatsApp notification towards that specific bot user or that phone number in case that a user is outside the 24-hour window. You can now go with a WhatsApp template notification. Let's do it in a separate action node. Click on Edit Action, enter phone number, and select the WhatsApp template of your choice. And click on Save. That's it for the video. Subscribe to our channel to get updated on more ihakimi tutorial videos.